Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I want to show you this really handy utility cart. This has a very simple collapsible design that is so handy whether you are using it just around your home to use for work or to store in your car for things like groceries or other items that you might need to bring around. This can handle 110 pounds. I can even sit on the lid of this and it is super sturdy. So let me show you how to break it down and put it back together. The lid just snaps and locks in place. Whenever you undo that, this can slide down the front so it's locked on and you don't have to worry about misplacing the lid, so it will sit right there in the front. And then there are little locks here on the top that you can slide to the unlocked position, and that will allow the sides to fold in. But first we have to lift up the bottom plate, and that will also tuck away into the front. So again, it's snapped in place. You don't have to worry about it getting lost. And then it can simply fold, and you can use the latches here on the side to hold that together. And just like that, this is nice and compact, easy to travel with, and easy to handle. And same thing for getting it set up. Undo those side latches and it will fold out. And then we can take the bottom piece and push that down to lock that in place. And then slide the side latches to make sure those are locked. And just like that, it's put together. And you can pull the lid up and snap it in place. There are multiple different levels that you can put the handle at. So this is all the way down. If you push the button on the top, it can lock there, here, here, and there. And the handlebar can also be released here on the back. Just press in that button and you're free to use this at an angle, so it's really comfortable to walk around with. It does sit on 4 smooth gliding casters, some of which do have locks here on the back, so you can always push those down to make sure it stays in place. Plus, this has a handy little cup holder, so if you want to bring a drink with you, have your coffee on you, that's super easy to pop down. You can just fold those together and tuck them away, or pull it out and enjoy your drink. There are double openings on both sides and a single opening on the front, so if you do need to pick this up and carry it, it's going to make it that much easier to handle. So if you were looking for a super handy utility cart that's nice and versatile and can be quite compact, I would definitely check this one out.